On behalf of Colliers and Pure Industrial,
welcome to 350 Parkhurst Square, Brampton. This is a 173,000 square foot freestanding industrial building, offering 28-foot clear heights, 1,600 amps of power, ESFR sprinklers, and 24 dock doors.
the building can be leased as one single premises or demised into two separate units of 105,000 square feet and 65,000 square feet.
What really stands out here is how the site functions. For distribution users, truck court depth, site circulation, and access all support how people, product, and trailers move about.
At 350 Parkhurst, you have a 130-foot depth secured shipping apron, two oversized drive-in doors, and 3 points of access.
You're also only 5 minutes from CN Brampton Intermodal, 3 minutes from Highway 407, and quick access to Highways 410 and 401, giving you the ultimate connectivity.
For tenants looking for efficiency and functionality, 350 Parkhurst is worth a closer look.
Our team is here to discuss availability or schedule tours.
If you have any further questions on this asset, feel free to give us a call.